Focal length versus focal distance. Which one's better? Excuse me, don't you need both? This guy again. Yes, both of them are important, but I know the two are work together. But this video is about dispelling the terms and helping you get more clear about the two and what they do. Let's take a look at both of them, understand their differences, dispelling the confusion, and let's get straight into it. Oh, by the way, my name's Dwayne Valentino, your filmmaking friend, and tell them what they need to know. Let's get into it. Focal length is the distance measured in millimeters between the camera's optical center and the point where light rays converge to form a sharp image on the camera's sensor or film. Thanks, Wikipedia. Why millimeters? The distance between the camera's sensor and the focusing element of the lens can be small. Using millimeters is a more accurate measurement, and it's universal. Focal length deals with the image in front of the lens. This is called a field of view. Shorter focal lengths mean a wider field of view, while longer focal lengths mean a narrower field of view. This naturally changes the perspective of the subject or image. Wide-angle lenses, those with shorter focal lengths, can exaggerate the perspective, making objects appear further apart, while longer focal lengths compress the image, making objects appear closer together. Fun fact, the human eye has a focal length commonly cited, that's based on a 35mm sensor, to be around the equivalent of a 35 to 42mm focal length. So when you think focal length, think the property of the lens, the camera's lens. Focus distance is the distance between the camera's sensor and the subject you're trying to capture. This is crucial for achieving an in-focused image. Whereas focal length deals with the field of view and focus distance deals with the depth of view. This is the image that appears in focus. To achieve an in-focus image, we simply adjust the focus ring on the lens. The longer the focal length, the greater the minimum focus distance. A lens with a longer focal length generally requires a greater focusing distance to achieve its in-focus image. Every lens has a minimal focusing distance, and that is, once you go close, comes out of focus. But once you're in the right focus, then voila. To round up, focal length. Property of the lens, its field of view and magnification. Focus distance, length of the distance to the subject you're trying to capture in focus. So, with that being said, I hope you like what you've seen. And why don't you think about subscribing? Because I would love to see you guys in the next one. Comment, like, share, and yeah, take care. Peace.